Hello fellow traders. So somebody asked me about gas. Well, I'm trading not the futures, but I'm trading the natural gas fund. As you can see, tracking the weekly and the daily. Today we have a turning point. If we don't close below here, we might see a move up, and you can see the indicators are turning. So I don't have the reversals for the current one, but I see the old one is 1375, which is right here. And also notice on the weekly the momentum is gonna pick up. You have a two week reaction, because usually it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because you have one here, then you have a reaction, then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So I'm expecting 6, 7 is gonna be coming these two. This is just my gut feeling, because I don't have any reversals on the daily or the weekly. Well, I do, but the old ones, not the new ones. So be careful with it. Might be a good trade today to get in if we not close below 63, or if this goes a little bit to 63, still not a good time. But if we're not even touching it, then I think this is gonna be a good trade. Alright, good luck.